Welcome to our guide on playing Solitaire on Facebook. Let's go through the steps to help you get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu options. From there, select Gaming to explore the gaming features available on Facebook. Once you're in the gaming section, scroll down until you find the Solitaire Games category under the Solitaire section. Dive into the classic card game of Solitaire and enjoy hours of entertainment right on your Facebook app. Playing Solitaire on Facebook offers a relaxing and engaging way to unwind, sharpen your skills, and challenge yourself with various Solitaire game modes. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the game or a seasoned player aiming to beat your best score, Facebook provides a user-friendly platform for players of all levels to enjoy Solitaire. By following these simple steps, you can access and enjoy playing Solitaire on Facebook anytime and anywhere. So, get ready to shuffle and stack your way to victory in the timeless game of Solitaire on Facebook gaming.